Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Haitral swing arm metal desk lamp with multi-joint flexible arm. And it is kind of like a chromed or silver finish, so let's pop this bad boy out. Oh goody, a box within a box. I love those. Basic. That out of here. Now to open the second box. Oh, some foam. Oh jeez, I hate this stupid foam. It gets everywhere. I don't know. Stupid foam. There we go. Gets everywhere. I gotta clean all this. But I won't complain to you guys. Let's get to the video. So you get the main head here where the bulb goes in. That attaches to this frame. Do that in a second. This is the main body. This is the base. And you see the arm. The other arm right here that goes down. And this is where the light bulb goes. Let me get this plug on twisted here. And get a long, it's a pretty long plug with a wire here. So you have some distance, and I forgot to mention, guys, this is also the switch right here. Look at that. And the finish looks okay, but I see a little mark right here. I don't know what that is. I'm not too excited about that. And this is the base here. Kind of look like a foam texture here, material. It's just keeps it from slipping on your desks. Alright. Gets the main light guard here. And this goes right on here. I believe. Let me try to get this lined up here first, guys. This doesn't come with any instructions, guys. There's no paper. There's nothing in the box, so I'm trying to figure this out here myself on how exactly this goes on here. Okay, guys. To assemble this fan, I was gonna say something else, but I guess I can call it a fan. Not a fan. A light shroud, or I'm not sure the exact name for this. But if you guys see this, you see the movement here with all that. But there is no directions for this lamp. When you get it, you get no directions, no booklet, no anything. You just get the lamp and you get the cover here for your light. That's it. You don't get anything else. So like that, it won't work. Usually when you get these, you put them on and just twist her in. Like that, the way they designed this is they designed it with this plastic cover here. So you have to take this plastic cover off. Then you can put that on. Then screw this back on. So this design is very tricky. If you don't see that, you will never guess you know, take that and put that on in there like that. But let me assemble this stupid thing real quick here. Designs, they always have to make things difficult. Get this thing back on. Jeez. Alright, let me get it the way I want. I want it like this. Alright, I want it set up like that. I got that on. Now, down here, you guys can see it's not in the shot. Let me show you right here. This is the switch. Right here. It's on the base. So, got my trusty light bulb. And this uses up to a 60 watt, I believe, on the that came. So there we go. Voila. And you can see it goes down like this, goes up, turn it like that. Oh, I like it. It's not a bad tabletop lamp. Okay, pretty good design. So I like that. So for a cheaper, you know, tabletop lamp, it's okay finish. You know, it's not real special finish, but I'll say it's a starter lamp for you guys. Starting out, it'll be a starter lamp. Either a starter lamp or something to make your PC desk look better, you know, something that stands out. So that's it for the desktop lamp, guys, and I hope it was helpful for you. And thank you for always checking out my videos. Until next time, as always, guys, bye-bye.